Hello squad, welcome to the video. In this new upload, we want to calculate 3751 divided by 31. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 3751 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 31 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 3 big enough for 31 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 31 is larger than 3. So we must take the next digit too. How many 31 are in 37? The answer is 1. Now multiply 1 by 31, which gives us 31. Draw line and subtract 37 minus 31, which leaves us with 6. Now we bring down the next digit, 5, and this makes our new number 65. How many 31 are in 65? The answer is 2. Now multiply 2 by 31, which gives us 62. Draw line and subtract 65 minus 62, which leaves us with 3. Now we bring down the next digit, 1, and this makes our new number 31. How many 31 are in 31? The answer is 1. Now multiply 1 by 31, which gives us 31. Draw line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 121. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep the good vibes going.